God is very near. Feel Him through chanting mantra and Manasika Puja. For those who realize God within their mind, He is very near. For those who do not, He seems very far away. For those who chant mantras and worship Bhagavan internally by bringing the temple into their mind, His divine light will radiate within. Whether you follow Saivam or Vaishnavam, you should practice chanting mantras continuously in your mind. Saivam, Om Namah Shivaya Namo Namaha, Om Satchidanandaya Namo Namaha, Om Sadgurunadaya Namo Namaha. Vaishnavam, Om Namo Narayanaya Namo Namaha, Om Satchidanandaya Namo Namaha, Om Sadgurunadaya Namo Namaha. Saivam and Vaishnavam. Om Sivasurya Narayanaya Namo Namaha, Om Shakti Namo Namaha, Om Satchidanandaya Namo Namaha, Om Sadgurunadaya Namo Namaha. Not only these mantras, but you may continue with the mantras you are already chanting, like Gayatri mantra or any other mantra. You may worship Bhagavan Shiva, Vishnu, Ganesha, Muruga or Ma Durga. The deity you worship outside in a temple should be visualized and worshipped inside your mind by chanting mantras. Whenever you chant a mantra, visualize a temple in your mind, offer flowers at the lotus feet of Bhagavan, take Deeparati and worship by falling at his feet. This is called Manasika Puja. For our mind to become focused, we need to repeat the mantras continuously. If you rub your hands together just once, you won't feel any heat. But if you rub them continuously, you will. Likewise, only chanting mantras continuously gives us divine consciousness and divine energy. That is the reason why many great sages, rishis, and gurus sit in one place in silence and continuously chant mantras. In the midst of our worldly living, even if we can't sit like them, if we keep chanting mantras while walking, traveling, and doing all our routine duties, the divine force can be felt within. Our life will be elevated. Following this regularly will bring us success in this worldly life and the life after.